What's up guys, Pizzle's Tech Time, back again with another video. Today we're going to see if the Zagg screen protector can redeem itself for the Galaxy S8. So stick around, I'm going to put it on my phone and we're going to see what it looks like.
Yo, you got the juice now, man.
So a while back guys, I made a video about this Zagg screen protector and it was falling off people's phones. It was having touch sensitivity issues and people were returning it, and after they were returning it, Zagg was telling them that they should use the Sapphire screen protector. And I was telling people that they should not use the Sapphire screen protector because I had it for my iPhone, and after about 2 weeks it had scratches all over it, like deep scratches, and the screen looked like complete garbage. So I wanted to warn people that is not a good look. That Sapphire is like, it's not as strong as they say it is, and it's not like actual glass. When you use a glass screen protector, it will protect your phone from drops, it will protect your phone from scratches, and it does a really great job. But when you use that Sapphire screen protector, it will protect your phone, but it takes the scratches and it leaves your phone looking like crap. So that's why I made that video, trying to warn people that if you do get that Sapphire screen protector, a few weeks later your phone might end up not looking optimal. So that's why I went ahead and made that video. After that, I did try to use the whitestone dome, and obviously if you watched that video, that one got a lot of backlash because people love that thing. It just didn't work out well for me. I bought 2 of them. They both cracked within a few weeks. One of them within a few days. And I don't know. So this is I've been rocking this thing without a screen protector for a long time, but one of my viewers had asked me to give this one an actual shot, so that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna bring the camera down here, and you're gonna watch me put it on my phone, and we're gonna do it live, and you're gonna watch me, and we'll look at it and we'll see what it looks like, and I'll give you my opinion on if it's gonna stay on, or you know, if Zagg has done anything to improve this since it's came out. And then you guys can tell me in the comments what you think and blah blah blah. So let's dive down guys, and I'll see you down there. Okay guys, so we're here. I've got the glass curve right here, and I'm just gonna open this up, and custom curve fit, smooth all clear design, and we're gonna see if this thing has gotten any improvement since it first came out, which I doubt it, but we all need to protect our phones, right? We should be protecting our phone. So I already cleaned this up a little bit. We're on my CyberPower mouse pad. Okay. Comes with a little tray, actually. I can see it already in here. Got this tray here. So here's the glass shield, and it says register it. And then you've got some dust removal stickers. You've got a cleaner, and you've got this bad Larry right there. Clean device, place tray, remove tabs, and then place over the tray. Alright, we're going to go through another clean, because your device can never be too clean, because as you can see, there is always some kind of dust. I'm going to get those corners on this phone. You know what? You'll never say that my phone was too clean when I put the screen protector on. I like to get a microfiber cloth, put a bunch of alcohol on it, wipe it, and then also clean it again with the whatever comes with the screen protector kit, just to be safe. Wipe it with this. So if any dust pops up, you can use this sticker right here. You can pick it off. Like so. I think it's always good to have around. Why not? That's pretty much unbearable already. Touch bar. No, that's gross. It's not working. I guess it's working. See how the adhesive, it only goes around the edge of the phone? That's the reason. That's the reason that I'm having the problem. This right here. Not to mention that the phone is curved. But all dust is going to get stuck under here where there's this air bubble. And then eventually it's just going to peel off. Not to mention that's just so annoying. I don't know, guys. I'm thinking this is still a no-go. What's up, guys? I don't think there was any noteworthy changes made to this. Now, I'm no screen guru over here, but you pretty much just drop this on, press on it, and it should seal. And because this only has adhesive around the edges, you have a really tough time setting it. And I just really don't think it's going to last, especially with the way that it's creaking already. It's just like the other ones with the adhesive around the edges. It's a no-go. And it might last for a few weeks or maybe a month. But after that, it's just kind of like a waste of money. And it's nice that Zagg has a lifetime replacement. So I think I might give it like a 3 out of a 5. But I would still say it's a no-go. I mean, it's almost better to just put a film on your phone these days with these curved screens. I really do like glass, but this glass is like, with the curved screens, it really sucks putting glass on your phone. And I really hate to say that, but I really hate these curved screens, and I hate the glass for the curved screens because it's like sharp on your fingers and you can't get a good glass that'll stay on there. And I've got some cheap ones from Amazon that have worked better than this. And this is $50. But I'll tell you what, they don't have a lifetime replacement. So I got to give it to Zagg for that. But I would say overall, this is like use your judgment, guys. If you need a screen protector for your job or just because you need one, I would say get this one or get a cheap one from Amazon or maybe the whitestone dome because it does work. But you would have to use your judgment call on that one. The whitestone dome is a little tricky to install, and there's a big area where you could mess that up. This is a drop and install, and if you mess it up, you've got a lifetime replacement. So I could easily suggest this one, but that creaking, it's sickening. I can't do it. I gave it a shot, guys, but thanks for watching. You can follow me at social media at Pizzles Tech Time, and you can subscribe to this YouTube channel. As you can see, I got my subscribe shirt, so remember to subscribe. Thanks for watching, guys. Later.